अपनी जो एंटरप्रेन्योरियल स्किल्स है वो वहाँ पर हम सेल आउट भी कर सकते हैं, मार्केट भी हम डेवलप कर सकते हैं. शेयरिंग ऑफ आइडियाज़ इज़ आल्सो पॉसिबल. जस्ट वी कैन सी this conference is in hybrid mode, so we can share our ideas, what is the need of inclusion, leadership and this technology. Then I will come to leadership, and I will extend the things from yesterday's lecture of Professor Gayatri Tiwari. And for the leadership, what else do we require for a effective leadership in our workforce? That I will extend from N to Z. N means non-violent communication, and non-violent communication की whatever communication we are doing, जो भी हम बातचीत कर रहे हैं वो हमारी बातचीत में वायलेंस नहीं हो, किसी को हर्ट फील नहीं हो. हम इस तरह से अपनी बातचीत को कहें कि सामने वाले का एक्सेप्टेंस हो और उसको जो है बेटर मोटिवेशन मिले अपनी कमियों को पूरा करने का, अपनी जो नेगेटिविटी है उसको पूरा करने का. तो नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर वर्क फैमिली बैलेंस, वर्क फैमिली लाइफ as well as for our personal life. O say organized and become optimist. It's very important to be organized, especially for a working woman, because she needs to do lot of things. And even I will say men should also be organized for a effective leadership. Be patient. Wait. Initially some people may have difficulty in adjustment, so be peaceful and patient with those persons for effective leadership. Improve your qualifications. Look at your qualification, look at the qualification of your workforce. Be resilient, don't get hurt in adverse situation. Rely on your employees, be radiant and be resilient. As for satisfied, if you and your employees are doing things full-heartedly, patiently, then whatever the results, be satisfied. For example, in Corona, there are many of persons has done suicide, and their negative thinking has led to poor immunity. And if we are satisfied with our work, then our immune system will enhance our well-being. So as satisfied and supportive to each other, be trustworthy. Always look at your character and be trustworthy and thoughtful. It's very important for a leadership. झूठ के पांव ज़्यादा कदम नहीं चलते हैं, so it's very important to be trustworthy for a leader. You be unbiased. Whatever the person is, beautiful or ugly, whatever the clothing is, whatever the language, Hindi, English, Mewari, local, but try to understand it's in an unbiased manner. We value whatever you have in your workforce and in yourself. W, always be welcoming and well behaved. X, xyloid यानी be strong and dependable. It's very important कि people can rely on your leadership. If you are accepting, if you are trustworthy, then you can be an effective leader. And wise, youthful, yogi. Yogi keeps on working. Look at your goal and keeps on working. It's very important for a good leadership. And last is jestful. So I think it's very important, inclusivity and effective leadership as well as technology, and inclusion of these three we can achieve our well-being. Thank you very much for making me chair for this session.